Third kripa of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Shashwat Bhakti Vinodaya, Samadaya, Madhurya Maryadaya. The third kripa of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Shashwat Bhakti Vinodaya. When we engage in devotional service, we will feel very happy to do service to Krishna. We will not feel any sort of hesitation in the heart. Oh, why this service is given to me? Why that service is given to me? What is this? It's all exploitation. All these kind of thoughts can come in the heart of a person if he has, in whose heart Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa is not there. You will see many devotees, they will leave the movement, and after leaving, they'll criticize. These devotees, they exploited me like this, they did like that, they did like this, such a bitter experience I had. When he was inside the movement, he would not have felt all those things. After going out, he's feeling all those things. Why? Because when he was inside, when he was serving, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa was there. Moment he did some Vaishnava aparadha, or for whatever reason he leaves and goes, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa is removed, then he starts seeing all faults in the organization. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's own organization. This is Prabhupada's own organization. It's a transcendental organization. There can be no fault in this organization. Whatever fault is there is in us, is in our perception. If Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa is there, then we can understand this. And any service that is given to us, we will feel extremely happy to do. A devotee who is always ready, that yes, any service is there, please give me, I want to do. If that has to be there in the heart, bhakti vinodaya, that pleasure in executing one's assigned duties, if it has to be there, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa has to be there. The moment we start feeling even a little bit of hesitation or reluctance, why this service I have to do, why that devotee can't do, why this devotee can't do, why only I have to do, that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa has been removed. Then the only way is we have to pray to Prabhupada and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for forgiveness for our offenses and beseech Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, please give your kripa so that again I can experience the bliss of rendering devotional service. And this bliss will not, it's not that it is stopping at one level. Some other, it goes on increasing up to the point of bhava. All the ecstasies will start manifesting within our heart. And Madhurya Maryada, up to the limit of Madhurya Leela, we will be able to experience the rasa of our relationship with Krishna. This is possible only by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa. No other acharya you follow, no other sampradaya you follow, you can develop Madhurya rasa. You can develop Shanta rasa, you can develop Dasa rasa, you can develop Sakya rasa, you can develop even Vatsalya rasa. But Madhurya rasa you cannot develop until and unless you have attained the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is the third way in which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa manifests. Sri Chaitanya Dayanidhe Tava Daya Bhuyad Amandodaya. Swarup Damodar Goswami is praying to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, O Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Dayanidhe, you are the ocean of Daya, Kripa. Tava Daya Bhuyad. May your most auspicious mercy be there upon all living entities. Amandodaya, for the all benefit, for all the auspiciousness of all the living entities. Let your Kripa be manifested upon everyone. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is Swarup Damodar Goswami's prayers in the Chaitanya Chandrodaya Nataka. If we have to attain the mercy of Krishna, we have to attain the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Without Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, it is not possible to attain Krishna. And if we have to attain Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's kripa, then we need the mercy of Srila Prabhupada. Without the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we cannot attain the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And therefore, simply by following Prabhupada's instructions and rigidly and serving Prabhupada's mission with full enthusiasm and all our intelligence, with whatever resources, talents, abilities we have at our disposal, we engage it in spreading Prabhupada's mission, in serving Prabhupada's organization, then without fail, we will get the kripa of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And if we get the kripa of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very easily we can remember Krishna at the point of death, and we can go back to Krishna Loka, and we can develop our rasa with Krishna even up to the point of Madhurya rasa. This is possible only by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada.